In this video I'll show you how to create a new calendar in Google Calendar. Firstly, you want to open Google Calendar. You can search for it or just click on these 9 dots and here find option Calendar. Now on the left find option Other Calendars and click on this little plus and select the option Create New Calendar. Choose the name of your new calendar, for example job, add description and choose the time zone. Next click on Create Calendar. Now my new calendar was added here. Go back to your calendar and on the left you can select or unselect your calendar. Click on these 3 dots to change the colors, and if I create a new task or event, you can select and change the calendars here. I'm gonna add, for example, work 9 to 5. If I don't want to see this type of calendar, unselect here one of your calendars. Mine is job. Now I will only see personal calendar. You can select all of them and you will see all your calendars. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time.